Hello and welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today we're tackling BTCUSD, and it's going to be a wild ride. Let's start with the current events. Recent news highlights a significant Bitcoin options expiry, potentially causing volatility. Reports suggest Russia may be using Bitcoin to evade sanctions, potentially impacting demand. Overall, sentiment is mixed. Some are bullish due to potential effects of geopolitical events, while others are cautious about market corrections. Now, let's transition to the charts to see what they're telling us. Looking at the daily chart, we see a recent price surge of over 10% during mid-October, which coincides with the increased discussion of Russia potentially using Bitcoin to evade sanctions. Following the surge, we observe a period of consolidation, with the price fluctuating within a range around $34,000 to $35,000 for several days. A slight decrease followed, before the price began rising again around late October, climbing above $40,000. Notice the price action from early to mid-November. A significant uptrend suggests strong buying pressure. The price briefly falls back under the $40,000 before another spike around mid-November brings the price above the previous resistance level. The chart suggests that the $40,000 level could act as a major support level. Let's zoom in on the most recent price action in the daily chart to get a closer look. Here's a closer look at the daily chart. We see a recent drop from around $100,000 to the current price of around $95,000. This recent drop is potentially correlated with profit-taking after the record-breaking year for Bitcoin. Looking at the recent daily candles shows short-term volatility. Observe the recent fluctuations, indicating a potential consolidation period before further price movement. Now, let's switch to the hourly chart for a more granular perspective. The hourly chart shows more frequent price fluctuations, providing insights into short-term momentum. Correlating this with the news, we can see that the hourly volatility is mostly due to trading activity and reactions to news and current events. The hourly chart shows a possible short-term support around the $95,000 level and resistance around $96,000. Finally, let's analyze the 15-minute chart for the shortest-term price movements. This timeframe reveals intraday trading patterns and very short-term momentum. Look at the 15-minute candles, revealing quick responses to news events and overall market sentiment. This high-frequency data can be highly volatile, so it's crucial to exercise caution when trading on this timeframe. The 15-minute chart exhibits potential support and resistance levels within a smaller range. In summary, the news suggests mixed sentiments, with potential impacts from geopolitical events. The daily chart indicates a possible support level around $95,000, with a resistance level around $96,000. Short-term predictions on the hourly chart show more volatility and potentially quick reactions to new events. On the 15-minute time frame, extreme caution is needed. It is crucial to be aware of the intense volatility present. The likelihood of reaching $100,000 depends on overall market sentiment and whether positive catalysts outweigh negative ones. A significant global economic event could either boost or plummet the price of Bitcoin quickly. Keep an eye on global economic indicators, news regarding Bitcoin adoption, and cryptocurrency regulations. Be careful when analyzing the information in these charts. You should only use the information presented as a guide.